Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you 5 home decor essentials that I think everybody should have in their home. So I want to start up a new series here on my channel weekly every Wednesday, all about simple decor tips. So today I want to start off with sharing 5 of my favorite home decor essentials that I think everybody should have in their home. These things are very simple, very basic, but you can use them as a base and layer things on top of them to create some beautiful home decor. So depending on your budget, you can spend as much or as little on these 5 items. I would definitely recommend investing a little bit in these because I think if you do, they'll last you a really long time because they are timeless. Watch this video and then let me know in the comments below after you've watched everything what the common theme for these 5 items is. There's definitely a common thread. If you like home decor and DIY ideas on a budget, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you want to be the first to hear of my latest videos. Let's get started. The first decor essential that I would recommend you have is a set or a few sets of white dinnerware. White plates and bowls and mugs are such a great base for really any table setting. I bought a few sets of Corelle white dinnerware years ago and I use them all the time. I use them for almost all of my settings. So even if it's just like the dinner plate on the bottom of a table setting and I'm layering some more colorful things on top, they're such a great base. Even just using all white looks so classy and elegant. And the Corelle ones that I have, I think are gonna last us a really long time. I can even imagine giving these to my kids when they're older. The second home decor essential that I recommend you having are white linen napkins. So I DIY'd mine 5 or 6 years ago and I use them often in my table settings as well. I love white because it goes with anything, and I love linen because it's such like a luxurious feeling fabric. You can buy some inexpensively online. I'll leave a link in the description box below to where you could find linen fabric, as well as the tutorial for making them yourself if you're interested in that. I love linen because the more you wash it, the more soft it feels. The third item that I think everybody should have in their home decor arsenal as a basic are fluffy white towels. So these are fantastic as hand towels as well as bath towels. A nice fluffy stack of hand towels. You can use those in any bathroom no matter what your decor, and same with bath towels. I love white towels because you can wash them really well and make sure they're clean. So whether you use a really hot cycle on your washing machine or bleach or however you wash things that are white, you can keep them really clean, and that's just so nice for things that you use personally. The fourth home decor essential that I think everybody should have are white linen or cotton drapes. So again, linen, I love linen because it's such a beautiful and luxurious looking fabric. It's natural. I also love cotton for that same reason. It's natural. And white drapes, I've had them in my home for years as well. I always come back to them. Even when I put up a patterned drape, I'll often switch it back to white for the summer and the spring because white is so light and fresh feeling. You can even use white drapes in the fall and the winter months by mixing them with some more color and pattern and texture in your throw pillows and your furniture. You can DIY your own white drapes or buy them. I'd suggest linen if you want kind of a more heavier and substantial look, and cotton if you want kind of that light flowy look. And the last and fifth home decor essential that I think everybody should have is a white sheet set. I think investing in a really high quality and a large thread count sheet set in white is a really smart choice. I don't think you'll regret it. Again, white is classic, white is timeless. You can pair it with anything. You can do all white like we did in our bedroom. I just love the feeling of layers of white. It's just so restful to me. Or if you love color and pattern, you can use white sheets as your base and layer on the colored and the textured duvets and pillows in your room. Again, I really like that white is really easy to clean, just like the white towels. You can wash these really hot or use bleach or however you wash your white items to make sure that these are really nice and clean. So those are my 5 home decor essentials that I think everybody should have. Let me know what you think in the comments below and what was the common theme for all 5 of those. I can't wait to share with you some more simple home decor tips. And if you have any questions about just simple home decor things, let me know in the comments below as well. I'm thinking about sharing things like how to style a shelf, how to decorate the top of a table, how to style a tiered tray, some coffee table decorating ideas, and just kind of smaller things like that, just to kind of share with you some tips and tricks of things that I've learned over the years. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!